messy because we have the renovation in the house. So this is the room of Liam. Actually, for the time being, it's a playroom, and we are having breakfast also here because our kitchen is very messy, and they're working downstairs, and it's very dusty. So let's have breakfast, guys. You see, for Liam, he will have boiled egg, and then also cookies and yogurt mixed together, and myself, of course, coffee, and then some orange, and the walnut bread, and of course the biscuit that I already ate, the cookie for lactating. So let's have, guys.
Hi guys, this is our breakfast. Yum.
No, you cannot touch that one. This one. Hi guys! Another camping lunch in the house. You see, guys, you know where we are eating? In our bedroom. Because as usual, there is the work downstairs. So full of dust, full of mess everywhere. We cannot eat on the dining table because it was completely covered by the plastic to prevent from dust. And now, here we are. We are eating on the floor.
Liam bad.
And look, my son as well is sitting on the floor. And now I'm gonna feed him. And it's a nice lunch. You see, we have the dried fish that is the favorite of everybody. And also the dried pusit, and of course some chicken and some fish. And this one for Liam is a macaroni pasta with a nice puree. It's very healthy puree. And I'm gonna share this one, guys, in my vlog for the upcoming vlog, how I prepare this food. And okay, guys, so let's eat.